Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you're doing well. So, my dear student, in the last lecture, we studied about the alkalines or metals, but today we are going to study a very important concept, which is difference between ionization energies of alkali and alkaline earth metals. So let's begin. Ionization energy. Are you studying ionization energy as the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electrons from an isolated gaseous atom? Example: M in gaseous state gave M positive in gaseous state plus electron. Now, ionization energies of alkali metals mean group 1 element. What is doing? The first one, alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, iridium, cesium, and francium have only one electrons and their outermost shell in NS1. Second one, the single valence electron is very loosely bound because the atomic size is large, the effective nuclear charge is low, and third one, hence ionization energy is very low. Trains, ionization energy decreases. This is down the group in lithium have greater than sodium, greater than potassium, greater than iridium, greater than cesium. Now, ionization energy of alkaline earth metals mean group 2. In this train, husband alkaline earth metals like beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and rhodium have 2 electrons in their outermost shell in NS2. These electrons are held more tightly due to higher effective nuclear charge. Third one, therefore, ionization energies of alkaline earth metals are higher than those of alkali metals in the same period. Trains ionization energy also decreases down the group. Beryllium have greater than magnesium, greater than calcium, greater than strontium, greater than barium. Now, reason for the difference. First one as nuclear charge. Group 2 elements have higher nuclear charge than group 1 elements in stronger attraction for electrons, higher ionization energy. And the second one is electron configuration. Group 1 have NS1, only 1 electrons to remove, which is Z, and group 2, which is NS2, require more energy to remove 1 electrons. Third one is reactivity. Because of low ionization energy, alkali metals are more reactive than alkaline earth metals. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture on the difference between the ionization energies of alkali and alkaline earth metals. I hope you understand. So, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.